Hey everyone, this is Gayatri from Youthbuddy. Dear Indians planning to travel to the Netherlands tuning in. Understanding the visa process early can help avoid delays and improve your chances of approval. Here's something helpful for you, getting visa guidance for Netherlands from Youthbuddy. If you are planning to travel from India to the Netherlands, one of the first steps is determining the correct visa type based on your purpose of travel. For short visits such as tourism, family visits, or business trips, you may need a Schengen visa. For study, work, or long-term stays, a Dutch national visa may be required. Before starting your application, visit the official Dutch embassy or consulate website to understand the latest requirements for your specific visa category. Once you identify the correct visa type, complete the visa application form carefully and ensure all information is accurate and consistent. The next step is gathering the required documents, which play a major role in the visa approval process. Common documents include a valid passport, passport-size photographs, proof of accommodation, travel itinerary, and proof of sufficient financial resources. Depending on your purpose of travel, you may also need an invitation letter, proof of employment, admission documents, or other supporting records. Travel insurance covering the required period and applicable regions may also be necessary, especially for Schengen visa applications. After preparing the documents, schedule an appointment through the embassy, consulate, or authorized visa application center. During the appointment, submit your application form and supporting documents. You may also be required to provide biometric information, such as fingerprints and photographs. Once the submission process is completed, you must pay the applicable visa fee. The fee varies depending on the visa category and is generally non-refundable. The next stage is application processing. Processing times can vary based on visa type, application volume, and individual circumstances. Applicants should regularly track their application status through the official channels provided by the embassy or visa application center. When a decision is made, there are two possible outcomes. If your application is approved, your passport will be returned with the visa attached or stamped according to the applicable process. If the application is rejected, you will usually receive information explaining the reason for the decision. Before traveling, carefully review the visa validity dates, permitted duration of stay, and any conditions attached to the visa. Following the approved travel purpose and complying with visa conditions is important throughout your stay in the Netherlands. There are also a few practical tips that can improve your application experience. Apply well in advance, preferably several months before your intended travel date, to avoid last-minute complications. Provide genuine documents, accurate information, and maintain copies of all submitted records for future reference. Requirements may change over time, so always verify the latest information through official Dutch government and embassy sources. A simple roadmap is to first identify the correct visa category, prepare the required documents, submit the application, attend the appointment, complete biometrics, wait for processing, and then follow the visa conditions after approval. Proper preparation, accurate documentation, and early planning can significantly improve the overall visa application process. Stay tuned for more useful info. For more details, click the link in description or explore it directly in the career section on the Youthbuddy website. Like, share, subscribe, and follow our social media accounts for more updates. Yours Gayatri from Youthbuddy, signing off.